Hey guys, today I'm going to be fitting this old clutch here back into my bike because I got a new one, but it's really bad, so I'm just going to be taking that case off. Thought I'd make a video on it because basically, see the spring in there, well, the other one snapped off, and it's right here, snapped off there. They're pretty bad, but I can't really get anything else, so I'm gonna replace this, put this one back in. I've got some new springs, and yeah. So these are the new ones that I'm gonna be putting on there. So yeah. Hey guys, this is another day. Tried doing my bike a few days ago, but I'll show you. On here, these springs, I couldn't get them on, so when I did get back to doing this, it was too dark to film in, so yeah, I did get them fit in. I'm gonna put this clutch in there, so yeah. Right, so guys, that's the old clutch. That's really new. It's only been ridden like 15 minutes, and it all burnt down. So I do not recommend getting it. But that's the new one there, right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna replace this, and then I've got to fix another problem, but I'll show you later. Hey guys, sorry, it's just like 1.5 weeks me trying to record this. Basically ordered some new parts, ordered this new flywheel. It's kind of crap, but oh well. And this snapped on my other one, that bit there, that snapped, so I ordered a new one of them. Just need that bit. But yeah, I can't all do this in today's video, so I'm just going to upload this. I can show you what I'm planning on doing. Basically, that flywheel in there, replace this one with it, and then the pull start put on there, and then over here, my clutch. Well, it's not obviously in there. I need to fit that. I put the springs in, because last video got too dark, so I stopped filming. I need to put that on, and then the screw in there. I need to get a new one of them, because that rounded off. And then, basically, ready. So yeah guys, sorry I haven't uploaded really in like a month, but I'm going to put that on next video, hopefully, and that. And yeah, just because I won't be uploading for like few more days, so I thought I'd just get this up and done. But yeah, everything else is the same pretty much. Probably better check petrol. Been in there for months. I've got loads in there. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in another one.